A mother is not the maid, not for her children, not for her husband. She wasn't born to spend her life picking up after everyone else, or serving everyone while no one even notices her. She didn't sign a contract to cook, clean, or wash. Mom gets tired too. She needs to be hugged, to be asked, "How are you?" To be seen, to hear someone say, "Thank you." How many times have you taken for granted the warm food on your plate or the clean clothes in your closet without even thinking about who made it possible? A mother's love is so deep, it often feels like duty, but it's not. Don't confuse her sacrifice with obligation or her patience with eternity, because one day her chair will be empty, and all those things you ignored will break your heart. So before it's too late, hug her, value her, thank her, because a mother doesn't need to be surrounded by people she serves. She needs a family, a real family, who loves her, respects her, and gives back even just a little of everything she's given in silence.